Welcome to your 5-minute morning meditation. Find a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's start by bringing awareness to our bodies. You can keep your eyes open or close them. Notice the points of contact between your body and the chair or floor. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Now take a moment to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Allow your breath to soften these areas with each exhale. Shift your attention to your breath. Feel the natural flow of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. Each inhale brings calmness, and each exhale releases tension. Continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present in this moment. As you near the end of this meditation, take a moment to cultivate gratitude. Think of something or someone you are grateful for today. Hold this feeling of gratitude in your heart. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and presence with you as you begin your day. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation. Practicing daily will help you experience its full benefits. Have a peaceful and fulfilling day ahead.